哎，这个公司做的叫 Simply ABS，也是一款金属 3D 打印机，啊，就是挺小的一款设备。Hello，它有什么亮点呢？就这款设备，你问一下。
Do you have some breakthrough points in your machine or in your product? Some new stuff in your products in this machine?
Regarding the previous one. Regarding the previous one, which improvements we have made?
Oh, okay. So you have the first version, is the second version, or the
We have the Samylabs Alpha 300. That
Okay.
is 300 watts. Then it had, as you can see on the downside, a cylindrical volume, constructive volume. In this
to increase
case,
the volume.
yeah, it was 200 millimeters diameter and 250 on height. In this case, it's the Alpha 500. We have a 500 watt laser
Okay.
source. Yeah,
Okay.
so you can produce quicker because you can the processability of materials is much better.
Yeah.
And we have a few updates. The first one is obviously the laser source. The second one is that we have this system of pre-hopper that we call. So you can spread metal powder inwards, onwards, and backwards. So the process of the process of manufacturing is about 40% quicker rather than the previous one. This is a system that not many.
Okay, so based on our demands, we can control the working area. So for the laser, I mean,
For research,
for working area, to
Yeah.
processing area. So
the working area is always going to be 250 per 250.
okay.
That's a building plate. I don't know if you were referring to that. Like this is the available, so you can print anywhere over here.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Okay. I don't know. Yeah.
OK，就是它的铺粉结构，对吧？
对，部分结构还有它就是它有一个，这是一个升级款，就是增加了这个体积嘛，增大印的这个面积和体积。原先是200，这个是500。This is 500 or
500. Yeah.
对。
OK
So
OK
here you have like the laser. It's going to.
Yeah.
You can.
OK，
Yeah. Feel free.
对，上面有一个激光的镇静在上面。
Over there, here you have like the galvo system that it's 2 mirrors that redirect the laser. More or less, here is the galvo system, and here you have the laser source. So you have a chiller to keep cool the laser.
这个用的是悦科激光
The
的。
PC and the electronics made by us. And here, well, this process is with the chamber inerty size with argon or nitrogen. This is common on this
Gas,
technology.
Okay.
Yeah. So you would connect the gas over here.
Gas system.
Here you have the entry of the gas. The chamber is going to inerty size, and as you might see in the chamber, we have over here like the inflow aperture. That it's going to do a laminar flow to keep the spatters and the wastages over the 3D printing process, because otherwise it can make a mess with the NS.
对，就是它的风场控制的一些东西也挺好啊。
So in this case, it will be over here, and let's say the dust and all the wastage are going over here. So it's going to enter over here, just filter it, and re-inflow the gas.
OK，
The one improvement from the previous model was that we just had one filter. In this case, we have two, but they are not working at the same time. That is a benefit, because you can just, while printing the first piece, I mean like 100 hours, you can use this filter. Once this is fully,
With dust.
yeah, it's going to advise you, the software, hey, clean this up. So you just have to change the filter. It begins to run on this. You have plenty of time to clean this, change it, whatever, and you reinstall it.
OK，
Once it happens, it goes another 100 hours, you change it again. This is a continuous 3D printing process.
Yeah，
And basically, this is it. After that, well, as you might think, you will have like the building surface going. Once you have finished the 3D printed piece, you will move upside the building plate, and the metal powder it's going on this. Going on this to the bottles over here.
Okay.
And you will use our sieving system to prepare this metal powder for another 3D printing process. So really you are using up to 99.9% of the metal powder that you are putting on the machine. And
So-
basically that's it.
So this is powder recycle system behind the below the machine.
No, the main thing, do you mean like the...
对，这个样
Yeah,
子
so
从这里
it's,
出来
it's
的。
going this
对
way.
就有一个收集这个
And it's going
粉的，对
on one pipe. You can open it freely. It's going
Ah.
to yeah. And then
Yeah.
you have another separate system that is the sieving system.
To separate the
Yeah,
base.
exactly. And you will charge it, just put it on, and once you have finished the process, you can charge again the metal powder over
啊
here.
，OK
Basically, that's it.
OK Thank you。
Ah, no worries.
It's good integrated all the system in the one machine. This is
Uh-huh. Yeah. We want to integrate everything
Wow.
on just one machine.
对
Where do you work at?
We are Chinese influencer focused on the 3D printing industry.
Oh, so cool. Which is your channel?
For the channel.
For the channel OK
Let me.
YouTube
Uh-huh.
Yeah Panda
Yep.
OK 老外也想关注一下我们的南熊的账号。
Yeah,
哦，
yeah.
对对 ，Panda 3DP，Yeah，有的，Yeah，Look the logo
Yeah.
and
Okay.
yeah and the beer. So we have so many information about the 3D printing from China or from the all over the world. Yeah,
Oh, so cool.
We
yeah.
also got the links, the
Uh-huh.
different potential supplier for you or competitor even. We've got some useful information.
Oh, thank you
Okay,
guys.
thank you, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
Have a good one.
OK，
Bye bye.
拜拜。又收获了一个国外粉丝，有意思。